Hey everybody, Sept, Nobody Else's Auto. As a lot of you know, and some of you may not know, every year we do a collector auto auction here in Great Bend, Kansas. My partner Chris with Car Auction Real Estate and myself, we put this deal together every year and always have a great time and have a good turnout of super cool vehicles that roll across the auction block and you can buy if you want. It's early in the week, but we're getting set up for the event this Saturday, September 27th. You can check out the current docket at feclassiccarauction.com. And online bidding is available through proxy bid. There is a bid now button on the website where you can go straight to proxy bid if there's something you want to bid on. So feclassiccar.com, online bidding available through proxy bid. Like I said, it's early in the week, but we already got some stuff showing up. So we're going to share a little bit of that with you. Place is going to be filling up this week. We've got a lot of great consignments coming in. Still getting calls about consignments. Just got off the phone with another consignor bringing some cars in. So should turn out to be a great day on Saturday, September 27th. Let's check out a few of the early arrivals that are already here on the grounds, ready to roll across the block on Saturday. So like I said, we're just getting started. This entire building that we're in will be jam-packed full of cars by Friday, getting ready to roll across the block on Saturday. We had a few of them roll in the first day, so this is what we're going to be checking out on this video, some of the stuff that showed up early and is already here in line ready to go, including this Chevy fire truck. C30 1-ton pickup chassis, one department owned its whole life, big block, fire bed on it, cool lights, gauges, valves. Talk about a lot of fun at a car show. And inside, 21,745 miles. And yes, that is actual. These old fire trucks are always well maintained, well taken care of. Look at that. Cool old truck. They actually drove this truck in yesterday about 50 or 60 miles. So it is road ready, super cool. Leave it the way it is, have a ton of fun with it at car shows, or convert it back to a 1-ton dually pickup. Even got a few race cars this year. Want to go have some fun? How about a rear engine dragster with a big block Chevy in it ready to go? So let's go check out a few of the other early arrivals that are already here. These things are super cool. These things are a monster. This, I believe, is a 48, an early power wagon. They made these trucks all the way up until 67, believe it or not. However, there were some specific things about the earlier trucks. The dash used the earlier dash. They did switch to a later style dash in the mid-50s. The beds on the earlier trucks were slightly different. In the 50s on up, they used more of a pickup style bed. This was kind of a unique 2 power wagon type bed. These things are just a monster. Look at the front bumper and winch apparatus on this thing. And yes, I believe this is actually how these trucks came. This truck is one family owned out of western Kansas. An old workhorse off of the farm. There we can see the older style Dodge Dash. But man, these things are monsters. One of my favorite cars here so far, look at this thing. 1972 Chevy Caprice Coupe. This is another car that drove in yesterday. Airworks. This car has been a Central Kansas car its whole life. Great color combination, blue on blue. Just a great looking car. These early 70s Chevys have gotten extremely popular. And this thing is just right. This is a super cool old cruiser. Kind of this concave back window in these cars. Still has the dealer sticker on it. It's going to be a fun day Saturday. So let's keep our eyes peeled. Let's see what else is rolling in the door and keep checking out a few more. Another cool truck going to be rolling across the auction block on Saturday, this 1972 Ford F100. This truck is believed to have 42,000 actual miles on it, and it sure looks like it. Is it perfect? No. It's over 50 years old and it's original. But man, this thing is well preserved. Check out that add-on AC, which the current owner does have working. Just cool to see one like this. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's original. The old step bumper. Oh, check this out. They put a sticker on the tailgate handle for that aftermarket AC system. Look inside the bed of this thing. Yes, it's got some scuffs and scratches, but man, that thing is not beat up. This is a cool, old, well-preserved pickup. Can't wait to see this one go across the block on Saturday. Let's go check out a few other ones and see what else is here. A couple other cool ones here, ready for Saturday's auction. 05 Mustang GT, and that's right, just under 18,000 actual miles on this bright yellow Mustang. '51 Ford, a little two-door. Good looking car. You know, and these cars are some cars that you can get into without spending a small fortune and have a ton of fun with. And this one looks slick. Check out the old flipper hubcap, the old barred flipper caps. Nice gray interior. And if I remember correctly, this car is rolling across the block at no reserve. The 7598 Coupe. This is the car that Dad and I found a few years ago in a garage where it had been parked for 20 plus years. Got it out, got it cleaned up, got it ready to roll, running and driving. You don't see a lot of these big 98 coupes. Checked out the link on this one for the full video of when we found this, where we found it after Dad had it up and going. Did an article on this car for Old Cars Weekly. And she's going to be rolling across the block on Saturday. This car was sold brand new here in Great Bend. We got it from the original family when we pulled it out of that garage. and it is ready for a new home. Here's something kind of cool you don't see every day. 1973 Cadillac Eldorado pace car convertible. This thing is cool. A little over 500 pace car replicas made in 73. This is one of them. Talk about a cruiser. Bright red interior. This is a cool old car. Door buzzer even still works. Still has the plaque on the dash designating this as a pace car. Cool old ride. And it's going to be rolling across the block Saturday with all the rest of these. Well, that gives you a quick preview of a handful of the cars that are going to be here Saturday. We're close to 70 consignments as of right now. And so we're going to have a full day Saturday. It's going to be a ton of fun. We got some great memorabilia we're going to start off with and then roll into these cars. Like I mentioned, online bidding is available through Proxy Bid. You can jump on there. If you can't make it, it'd be great if you could. It'd be fun to see you here. But if you can't, jump on Proxy Bid and hit the online bidding if there's something you're interested in. And hopefully we'll see you out here. But it's going to be a great day. We got the beer garden ready to go. The barbecue vendor will be here. We got a coffee trader going to be here that morning. And it's going to be a ton of fun. These events are a blast. That's why we started doing them. Everybody comes out, has a good time. It's a big car show. And if you stick your hand in the air, you might get to take one of them home. So it's a lot more fun to go to a car show when you got a chance to buy one, isn't it? I always thought so. So looking forward to it. Hope to see some of you here. I know some of you guys already have your trips planned and plan on being here. A lot of you guys are coming in Friday for the preview show Friday night. And the auction will kick off Saturday. We'll start about 10 with some memorabilia and plan on starting on vehicles right at around 11 o'clock Saturday morning. So it's going to be a great time. Hope to see you here. And can't wait. It's going to be a fun day.